Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. So this is a pretty exciting video, and I want to start it out by opening this package, which is really exciting for me. So this is from Superior Clothing Company. It's a Michigan clothing brand that I reached out to kind of just to see if they would respond and maybe want to do like a, I don't know, like a sponsorship kind of thing. They sent me something. I think it's a hat. So, and also I talked to the guy who runs the company, and you guys are going to be able to use a code to get 10% off, and the code is Toddley. And I will leave a link to their website in the description. So I just wanted to open this video, or open this box in the video, and then actually after I open this box, we're gonna actually go out and see something else that is pretty exciting. So let's start with opening this box. I think it's a hat. I knew it was gonna be a hat. So should be a hat. I did not get big enough scissors for this. Oops. Courtney is giving the dog a bath, so if you hear any yelling or anything going on in the background, that's what's going on in the background. I will leave a link to their website in the description, or I'll leave a link to their Instagram. I'm pretty much going to be putting a link in my description for any new videos, because like I said, you guys can use code Toddley and get 10% off. And they have hats, they have shirts, they have all sorts of stuff. So here you go. Courtney, come check this hat out. So here's the logo. You got an S and a C for Superior Clothing Company, obviously named after Lake Superior, and then there's a mitten. I think this is such a cool hat. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's a dad hat. Perfect. It's nice. So that's not the end of this video. I just have to go outside now, and we're going to check out something else. And if you guys thought that the house that Courtney and I are in is exciting, just wait until you see what's in the garage. I can tell you that if you're following my channel for ZR2 S10 content, I have one more video coming out with the ZR2 S10, but probably whenever this video goes up, it's sold. Right now, at the time of me filming this, I've got someone who's like basically ready to buy it from me. They're just kind of sorting stuff out as far as like financing or whatever. So that's exciting. The S10 is pretty much sold, and we have to go out to the garage so we can see what I have to replace it, which is really exciting. So we'll go check it out. It's actually nice out today. It's like 35-ish and the sun's out. So we're gonna go outside.
Let's go ahead.
Isn't it? Isn't it cool? Also, real quick, before I go outside, I got the hat on. They sent me a little note that says, "Thanks for repping our brand and good luck with your YouTube channel, Superior Clothing Company team." So thank you guys. I don't know if you guys will watch this, but I absolutely love this hat, and it's going to be hard for me to not wear this everywhere. And I'm probably definitely going to have to get another one. So also, I was looking at those, there's a different style hat that I was kind of wanting. So I will definitely have to keep you guys updated on how this hat works out, but I really like it. This is like, was it like gold? It's white, but it looks nice. I like the black. I have way too much black on today. But we're gonna go outside and see what's in my garage, and then I'm probably gonna end this video. But this is quite an exciting video, both because of this and because of what I'm about to show you. So let's go outside. Alright, so before I show you guys this, I definitely want all of you to be sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you're new. And what I'm about to show you is behind this door, so this is gonna be pretty good. It's unlocked right now. I will definitely do a proper walk around video on this, but this is my new truck. So it's a 2014 Silverado double cab. It's got WeatherTech floor mats, pretty basic stock interior. The kid who I bought it from put this little iPhone charger in here, which is a good idea, but he didn't really do a good job in his fit and finish, and so I might have to try and fix it. And it's got a back seat. Right now, the truck is dirty. I think I'm actually gonna go wash it after I film this. So, yeah, this is exciting. Here's a big old bow tie. And I'm honestly really surprised that this fits in here, and I don't know how many videos I showed the S10 in this garage, but obviously it's the same garage. And yeah, you gotta fold the mirrors in, and we put a ball up, we put a little tennis ball up. You can get those at Home Depot for like $5. And so I put that up, and then pretty much it just fold the mirrors in, and it's all right. And usually Courtney parks, right now she's home because she's in between shifts, but usually Courtney parks over here, that way I can get out in the morning because she lets me park my truck in the garage because she's the best. And also she doesn't like backing out of the garage. So yep, there it is. It's got a tonneau cover, it's got a tow package, pretty much has everything that I wanted, and it was in my price range. So the S10 is sold, and I'll be driving this. So fingers crossed that this is a little bit more reliable than the S10, although the S10 was pretty good, but it's definitely nice upgrading to a full size. It's something I actually fit in, and I actually have leg room in, so driving back up here from my parents' house was really nice just because I wasn't cramped. So I'm gonna end the video, and I'm gonna go wash my truck, and I will see you guys in my next video. So like I said, go check out Superior Clothing Company. I'll leave the link to their website in the description. I'll leave them on Instagram. Use code Toddley to get 10% off, and big shout out to them. That is crazy that I even get to say that. It's awesome. I love that it's a Michigan company that I'm working with, and hopefully our relationship continues. And I know it's just starting out right now, but it's super exciting. So, and then also, if you guys like the truck, let me know. And if you want to see a full walk around video on the truck, once the weather clears up, today it's pretty nice out, but we're by no means are we done with winter. So once the weather clears up, I will do that, and definitely let me know in the comments. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, and bye. This is a video after the video, and I just got back from the car wash and figured I would show what it looks like all washed up. So here's what it looks like all washed up, and it's a nice color. I really like the color, and it's looking sharp with it all clean. So I put my mirrors in, and I put this one in too. All right, that's it. That's the video after the video. Bye.